Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a hot minute, but before we begin this video, I'd like to wish everybody a very happy new year. I hope you had a great start to the year. I know I did, with a little bit of crazy, but that's all right. The vibrations are high at the moment, and I am here to ensure that they remain high and that in turn you have a great 2024. So let's begin. Number one is get a routine in order. Now I know this is easier said than done. It's one of the toughest things to do. I know it's also a little cliche, but you do not understand the importance of having stuff in routine and how smoothly your life can go after till you actually try it. For this step, I suggest you get a daily planner and start writing things down that you have to do on the next day, the night before. Also ensure that you wake up and go to sleep at a particular time. I know it's very hard in this day and age, but it is not unattainable. Second, I suggest you take 1 hour before you go to sleep to write down a bunch of things that you want to achieve. Make small term goals, switch off your phone, make sure there's no social media access apart from Pinterest if you want some stuff for your vision board, and do your thing. The more you write down what you desire, the quicker you are going to receive your desire from the universe. The best time to do this is before you go to bed, so you can set your intentions and read them before you do anything else when you wake up in the morning, before you even touch your phone. Number 3, stop sweating the small stuff. In the moment, you may feel something is working against your favor, but it is always happening for the better. The second you start believing this, the calmer you're going to get, the easier it is going to be for you to flow through life, knowing that what is meant for you is most definitely going to go to nobody but you. You're not gonna miss out on it. There is something called divine timing. It is very, very real. Now I know it is a little hard to think of what's the best that could happen, and everything is happening for a reason, but I have made a video on that previously, so how about you go and check it out. The link is in the description below for that video. Number 4, cut the junk out of your life. Now this step is divided into 2 sections. The first one being actual junk, like junk food, processed food, sodas, etc. Cut it out of your life. Now I know sugar, salt can give like a huge dopamine hit to the body, so don't go cold turkey. Start off by just consuming it twice a week and then cut it down to twice a month. Trust me, it doesn't just affect your physical health, it also affects your mental health to a great extent. The second you cut down, the brain fog will most definitely go away. You'll feel more productive and more motivated to do stuff. All of this, which in turn will help you also manifest things that you want quicker. You will feel clearer about yourself, and trust me, this step is key to having a great year. Part 2 of step 4, cutting out the junk people and situations out of your life. We are going into 2024 with 0 toxicity, which means that shit friend who won't listen to you when you have an issue or compare your situation with theirs and rant about the same thing for the 45th time. Cut them out. You don't need that friendship. You'll find somebody else. If you don't see that girl or that guy in your future, you don't need them right now. Cry me a river, dude. You will get over it sooner or later. And somebody else, as cliche as it sounds, will come in. Situations where you're uncomfortable, exit. The people who are important will realize. The people who are not important, let them go. Let them go. Step 5, ensure you take a little bit of time out to have some sort of physical activity through your day, whether it's doing a 20-minute cardio workout or it's just taking a stroll. You need that for the blood to flow through your body and for the toxins to release. So ensure you do that at least 4 times a week, if not more. Club it in with a small meditation after or before. I tend to do it after. Either a guided meditation off of YouTube or just sitting with your thoughts for 5 minutes can work wonders. Step 6 is most crucial. That is to take some time out during your day, or if you can't during the day, if you are so very busy, then at least during the week to do one thing that you like. Take some time out for yourself where nobody can bother you, even if that means waking up half an hour early and just enjoying your cup of tea or coffee without being stressed out about the entire day or running on like a schedule, a time-bound situation. Just take some time out, sit with your thoughts, enjoy it, go shopping if that's what you like to do. But this is so very important, to give yourself some time to make yourself feel special, to love yourself a little bit, to enjoy your own company. So those were a few of my tips and tricks to ensure that we have an amazing 2024 and a year where we thrive and excel in life and enjoy the process of living every single day. Let me know after a month of doing this whether this has helped you in any way at all. Also, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to watch in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay fresh.